preemptive evacuations have been conducted after tropical depression Agaton struck 27 provinces in the Philippines. At least more than 21,600 people have been evacuated as a result. According to the National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council, or NDRRMC, over 340 homes were affected and many municipalities were left without power. The Philippines is battered by at least 20 storms and typhoons annually. They mostly occur during rainy season, which starts around June. However, in recent years, the country has been struck by storms that formed even during the dry season.